So many people on YouTube know me for my DIY content and some of my camper builds. But before I started the YouTube channel, many years ago, I used to be a real estate broker. And one day we stumbled on a website that basically had everybody's information exposed, including their date of birth, their email addresses, relative information, email addresses, you name it, it was there. So I made a video on how you could find anybody with one piece of information, and that video went viral. And hundreds of thousands of views later, I still get questions about that particular video. So I know everybody's information is still being exposed. So then I did a follow-up video on how you can delete yourself. However, the people that are selling our information are constantly updating and making new websites. So this particular trend has gotten even worse. I think I have found a perfect solution that I've been using for the last 4 years, and I think you're gonna like it. Hey everybody, welcome to RandomFix. I've been trying to tell you guys to delete yourself for the last 4 years, and this is something I personally have done. At first, I did it myself, and then I realized this was almost an impossible task because the amount of data resellers that are out there, or data brokers, just keeps growing. And in this video, I'm going to tell you guys about my experience of a company that I've been using for the last 4 years and why I choose to go with them, some of the benefits, and some things that are going to come in the very near future. And I think you're going to really find a lot of value in this video. So if you have friends and family that are worried about online privacy, online security, losing control of their personal information, please share this video with them. If you guys learned something new during this video, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Life is all about perception and how we see things and through whose lens we see life. And I'm going to tell you guys a little story and why I am so adamant about online privacy. So when I was about 21 years old, my bookkeeper, this is the person that did the taxes for me and the business that I ran, she suffered a loss. Basically, her information was exposed and somebody purchased 3 homes under her name. And for the next 15 years, I saw her work day and night trying to make herself whole again. My CPA was pretty much on the last year and she was going to go and retire. So she had to come out of retirement to go ahead and make sure she didn't go homeless. Think about that story right there. You worked your whole life and you're about to retire. You had to go back to work. Protect yourself now and protect yourself in the future. Set it and forget it. Now there's a lot of channels on YouTube that basically cover online privacy every day. And a lot of them just give you a snapshot of the product that day. And the reason I'm actually doing this long-term 4-year review is because I want you guys to understand that online privacy is not an event, it's a process. So it does take a little time. You can't just vanish offline forever. Your information will get repopulated. Online privacy is not as easy as pushing a button and vanishing. So here's the hard truth. Sometimes deleting your information is really going to take you months because there's hundreds of data brokers and these guys are constantly selling your information. And on top of the data brokers, there's going to be data breaches, which I'll cover a little bit later in the video. And the problem gets even worse with the dark web and then some of the new retailers that are basically reselling your information. This problem has become massive. I've used DataSeal IO for the last 4 years, and this is honestly the ultimate set it, forget it solution. Now let's talk about the new dashboard, as DataSeal IO has really ramped up the ease and flow of the website, so it's clean, fast, and efficient. So DataSeal IO is basically like a bounty hunter that scans for your information on the web, and once it finds it, it submits a request to go and get that information removed. Now a lot of these data brokers don't just go and comply the first day they get that request. They really try to hang on to your information for as long as they can. So this could take anywhere from 30 to 90 days. I definitely do encourage that you stay on top of it, but I don't think this is something that you need to check every day. And from the time I have signed up as a member 4 years ago, they have removed my information off the web at least a total of 200 times. Think about the many hours of time and peace of mind that I've gained from those 200 removals that they have submitted on my behalf without me having to lift a single finger. So I want to give you a scenario where the new DataSeal IO Virtual Identities is going to be a big help. So for example, let's say you go to a store like Target and you provide them your phone number for a 20% off coupon. Just basically know that they're going to go and sell your spending habits and your profile to some data brokers they're going to go and market to you in many different ways. And some of the methods they use are really a little bit on the slimy side. And with the new DataSeal IO virtual identity, you could basically mask that information so the retailer will never know who you are. You can continue to get your discounts and your information stays private. And this virtual identity isn't just some email address. They'll actually give you a virtual phone number. And this is really nice for a lot of the social media apps, such as dating websites. This is basically like a burner phone, and you can go and dispose of it. Now you didn't go and reveal your phone number. You're not going to be marketed to. Your information is not going to be sold, and you're going to be protecting your future. And I think this can save you a big headache. 4 years ago, when I signed up for the service, I did discontinue using it after 6 months. And since I no longer had DataSeal IO protecting my information slowly started hitting the web again. And then I came back to DataSeal IO as I hated the experience. It felt like when I was at the other company, I was just a number in some database, and I didn't get any support. And the real reason I like DataSeal IO is the fact that I know they're US based. And if I ever had a question, I always got a fast response. And I knew I wasn't talking to some foreign agent that didn't understand my needs. And that's why I love the fact that DataSeal IO is US based and they're nimble and efficient at getting my information off the web. In life, you're going to get the unexpected. So as I was recording this video, the rain has decided to pour, and online privacy is the same exact way. Sometimes things are going to go wrong and your information is going to be exposed. So one of the best things that has recently happened at DataSeal IO is the fact that actually now including $1 million of coverage. So in case you have an issue, they'll help you and get your issue resolved. And they really do listen to all the concerns. Sometimes if I email in a question, I actually hear back from the CEO. And this is a person that I have known for the last 4 years. And he reads the emails from you and I, and he always addresses them. So you will not feel like a number in some database. And I think you're really going to like the experience. Now I got to tell you guys, DataSeal IO is only going to get better. In the very near future, the rain's going to stop. On top of that, they're going to be adding a Chrome extension. So I'll leave you guys a video down below. Once the Chrome extension is launched, and that Chrome extension will make the process of the virtual identities almost seamless. Now, I've reached out to them before I started making these videos. Down below, you will find a special coupon code that will save you a little bit of money if you guys are interested. I always recommend the annual plans. Again, this is a process, it's not an event, and you're gonna like the peace of mind, and they even offer family plans. So maybe you wanna give this to somebody, and this is really important for this digital life that we live, and keeping our assets, our personal safety, and our peace of mind at bay. So here's the new updated dashboard for DataSeal, and on the left hand side we can see that we have a total of 22 requests that have been sent out and 8 removed. This is the new updated dashboard. So previous to this, I had over 200 records that had been found and removed, 7 addresses, 7 names, 1 relative name, 5 emails that were compromised, and 2 phone numbers. If I scroll down a little bit, here's some other tasks that I complete, including the virtual email addresses, and there's also a virtual phone number, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But let's talk about some of the sites that are constantly going to be leaking our information. And it's going to be these websites that are constantly getting breached. And some of these websites are not so well known. So this is going to be a bank right here, Betterment, Car Gurus. And look at this, even Dropbox has been compromised. These are quite a few data breaches. If I scroll down a little further, and let's say I click on Venmo, this particular data breach affected 119 different users. And that is pretty scary. I didn't know that Venmo actually had a data breach like that. And let's take a look at the data removal tab here. And we can see that DataSeal IO is constantly working. And it's looking for my information. It's acting like a bounty hunter online. Let's go to this identities. Here's where I could basically make a virtual email address. If I go to a store like Target and they ask for my email address, I no longer have to supply my real email address. And what's happening is these retailers are basically selling our data, our habits, to the highest bidder. And if you want to keep yourself safe now and also in the future, this is definitely something I would recommend. All I need to do is go ahead and just create my first identity. Again, this is a brand new feature. I haven't had the need to go and do this, but I'm definitely looking forward to doing it because I'm realizing that I'm getting a lot more attempts to get scammed because everybody's basically selling my information. The companies that I trust the most, such as my banks, they're basically selling my habits and my data to the highest bidder. And to be honest with you guys, it's becoming a little frightening. And once I set up my virtual email address, it will go to this inbox. There's also this SMS virtual number. So this happens to be my number right here. And the nice thing is this particular number can be used on dating websites, as those are basically riddled with spam and scams these days. So keep yourself in the clear. And if we scroll down to the bottom, if I needed help, I could click on this. If I had an old phone number that was being associated with me that I wanted to be basically removed, all I need to do is click on this account. And once I scroll down to where it says phone numbers, I can click add phone number. A new tab would open up and I can add the phone number in here. Now DataSeal IO is going to go and hunt this phone number down. And once it finds it, it's going to go and ask for that information to be removed. This is really how easy it is. They make it super simple. Now this is my older son, and he's actually helped me make some of these DataSeal IO videos in the past. So I'm going to go and ask him a question on video. Over the last 4 years, have you seen me really lose any hair or sleep over online privacy?
Not really, no.
Why?
Because you've been using DataSeal for 4 years.
Now, I think that's a pretty good indication of this is a service that I like, trust, and use, and I would definitely recommend it to all my friends and family, including you guys. And again, if there's something I didn't address in this video, let me know what it is.